Hello. Good morning guys. Actually, hapon na pala. Sa oras ng alas 2 ng hapon dito sa Edmonton, Canada. Sa araw ng Lunes. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Kensington. At tayo'y pipick up ng medicine. Kasi kahapon, nagano pala kami. Nagpa-check up kay Doc. Kay Doc Cal pala. Na yun, virtual lang via Zoom. So, muna nakadali. Tapos, yung may prescription, pipick upin na namin dito sa pharmacy. So, naka-ready na siguro. Kukunin ko na. Kaso lang si Aling Malit, kakatulog lang, oh. Ano ba yan? Higisingin ko talaga yan. At ang temperature sa labas is 0 degrees. So, malamig. Let's go, Aling Malit. Let's go. Okay na daw. So, punta kami. Dito kami pupunta, guys, oh. Ayan, nandiyan kami pupunta sa loob ng Kensington Medical Clinic. So, ayan. Dito may mga pizza burger, oh. Natin. Yung maintenance, nagka-maintenance na tayo dito dahil sa ating mataas na uric acid level. Umabot na kasi ng 700 something, kaya mahirap na. So nung umpisa naggagamot na ako, wala, hindi na sumasakit eh. At yun, kaya tuloy-tuloy na siguro to. Sige, babo na kami para makauwi na. Ay, nako. Hi, Marta. Hi, Aling Malit. Yeah. Nagantay kami ng medicine. Yung sa akin, okay na. Yung kay mami ko, pa yung hindi. Piniprepare. Mga 15 minutes to. Mami Coco? Yan na nga, guys. Dito na yung medicine namin. Hi, Marta. How are you? Say hi. Ayan. Ito na yung medicine namin. So, yung binayaran na namin, $21. Kasi nga may pang participation. So, pag ano, mahal ko. Kung wala kayong insurance. So we are going home, and Marta will going to sleep. Okay?
No.
Why? So sa oras ng alas 2:30 ng hapon. Tapos na, saglit lang. So let's go, guys, let's go. So let's go. Let's go. You don't like to go home? Oh no, Marta don't like to go home. What happened?
I want to like it.
Police, no? Police car. You see police car.
In 100 meters, turn left onto 127th Street.
It's gone. So, we are here. So, punta doon. Balik tayo doon.
Turn left onto 127th Street.
Left and right. You will see. Yeah. Left and right. Holding. So clean and right. Kaliwa kanan eh. Ha?
This way.
Yeah.
I see this silver again.
Oh.
Under the boughs where the
There's a car there.
shadows play, the wind hums songs at the break of day.
We stop here.
Whispering
here.
pines,
Okay, go.
secrets untold,
I want to go.
carrying tales.
Continue on 127th Street for 3 kilometers.
Sunny day. It's sunny day.
Moonlight
Sunny day.
spills through the
Sunny day.
velvet dark,
Sunny day.
etching patterns, leaving its mark. The roots stretch deep, the earth's gentle sigh, a lullaby sung to the open sky. Oh, whispering pines, sing me your tune, caught in the rhythm of the stars and the moon. Teach me the language of rustling leaves, stories that linger
Sunny day.
on the breath
Maybe
of
there's a dog, oh.
breeze.
You see that car in our front. See the dog. There, dog. Dog. Dog in the window.
Dawn
Ah.
paints gold on the mountains,
Can I see?
while rivers whisper truth as they flow down. And their songs entwine with the trees that stand, knotted in time by nature's hand. Each echoing step on the forest floor opens a world through an ancient door. The silence alive, yet brimming with sound. In the arms of solitude, I am found. Oh, whispering pines, sing me your tune, caught in the rhythm, the stars and the moon. Teach me the language of rustling leaves,
Oh, there's a dog.
stories that linger on the breath of the breeze.
It's a dog.
Sunny day.
Lights. Red light. It means
Yeah.
stop. If the light is go, it's green.
Go.
You want to drink milk?
Yes.
Oh no.
Now you have your car.
Milk. You want milk?
Yes.
Oh no.
I said yes.
In 400 meters, use the left two lanes to turn left onto 118th Avenue
To
Northwest.
left. We're going to the left. Oh no.
At the light, use the left two lanes to turn left onto 118th Avenue Northwest.
Truck. Where's the truck? Go, go, go. Hurry up, hurry up. Hurry up more. So I will... Oh, laki naman yung katabi ko nito.
Continue for 2 kilometers.
50 pa rin dito, 50. 50. 2 kilometers, 50. How are you? You see sister? What sister see? Marta. Nabutan tayo ng dilaw. Red. Somebody ocean will never.
Red is stop.
Hmm?
Red is stop.
Red is tough. Yeah.
Green is go.
Green is go. Very good. My Marta is very good.
Very good. Mother said no. Mother said yes. Mother ayaw na yung mother said no.
50 lang dito.
Mother said yes.
Yes. Again. Again. Stop.
Sabagin?
Yeah.
What?
It's red. Hello, hello, hello.
What's your name?
What's your name? You see fire truck?
I cannot see him. I said the fire truck.
Fire truck. Fire rescue.
Where's fire truck?
What the sounds of fire truck?
Where's fire truck?
Oh, ew. Oh, ew.
Where's fire truck?
Oh, ew. Oh, ew.
Daddy! Daddy! Daddy!
Yes.
My manta.
Okay. Eh na nga guys, dito na nga tayo. Dumating na nga tayo dito sa ating parkingan. At ito, nasa basement 2 tayo sa parking to, sa pinaka baba. At biyahe natin is 13 minutes. Ganun kalayo. Hi Marta! Say hi! Say hi first! Say hi!
Hi, Daddy.
Say hi guys!
Hi, hi.
Hi guys! Say hi guys! I'm hungry now.
Huh?
You're hungry?
No, I'm seeking.
Well, what do you want to eat?
Milk.
Milk? Okay. Milk only.
I'm hungry.
Hungry? And then after drink milk, what the next? What next? So, backing na tayo guys. Atras. Tut. Tut. Dito tayo pipina lang sa kanan. Ayos na yan. Okay, Marta. Obo. Okay. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget like, subscribe, and comment down below. And see you to the next vlog. Peace. Sige, peace. Say peace.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye, guys.
Bye bye guys.
Okay, bye-bye.